Hi children, today we are doing a very interesting exercise. You're going to read all the action words. You're going to fill in a sentence with the correct action word. The whole lot of words are given to you and we are going to do a bit of filling in. Fill in with correct action word. First read the sentence, find the missing action word and fill it up correctly. A lot of reading, spelling and reading we are going to do in this exercise and I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Let's look at our first sentence. Yes, and fill in correctly. Now, first of all, here we have a whole lot of words. First, we're going to read all the words. Yes? And what are they? They are all action words. First, we'll read the action word before filling in. All right? First, W-A-L-K, walk. Is walk an action word? Yes. R-E-A-D, read. Read is an action word. C-R-Y, cry. Cry is an action word too. D-R-I-V-E, drive. Walk, read, cry, drive. Good. Let's look here. D-R-I-N-K, drink. An action word. S-W-I-M, swim. An action word. B-R-U-S, brush. You can brush your shoes, anything, brush. T-A-L-K, talk. Babies learn to talk and they are very happy. Drink, swim, brush, talk. Okay, let's go to the last row. E-A-T, eat. Eat is an action word? Yes. C-L-I-M-B, climb. You climb up a ladder. Yes, climb. Climb up the stairs. B-I-T-E, bite. Dogs bite you, isn't it? You take a bite onto your sandwich. Dance. When you're happy, you dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Eat, climb, bite, dance. You got a whole lot of words here. Eat, climb, bite, dance. Drink, swim, brush, talk, walk, read, cry, drive. All are action words. Now let's go down to our sentence. Find the correct action word and put into this blank so that the sentence is complete. Tina, read on. Tina and Reena dash to school. Tina and Reena drive to school, cry, read to school. What word? Drink, walk. Yes, Tina and Reena. They're two good friends. What do? They walk to school. Very good for health. So we put down here walk. Now read the sentence and see if you have picked the correct action word. Starting with capital letter. The two girls' names are in capital letters. We are ending it with a full stop and we found the correct action word. Tina and Reena walk to school. Tina and Reena walk to school. So we circle the correct word. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at our next sentence and we fill in it correctly. All right. Here we are. The action words are same again here. Let's look at our sentence. Tom is the name of a person, starting with cap letter. Tom likes to dash the tree, full stop. What does Tom like? Does he like to drive the tree? Drink, eat, bite? What is it? Climb, yes. Tom likes to climb. That's a correct word. Climb the tree. There's a particular tree there and it's got lovely branches. Tom always likes to climb the tree, that particular tree. And he enjoys climbing it. Probably it's a mango tree. So we circle climb. Tom likes to climb, and we put in the word here, climb. Now read the sentence. Tom likes to climb the tree. Did we fill in correctly? We found the correct word. Tom likes to climb the tree. The sentence is complete. Did you enjoy? Let's go on. We take another sentence. Good. And now let's find the word. All right. Now, so we found two words. Walk and climb. Now let's see. Dash your teeth every day. You have teeth? What do you do with your teeth? Yeah. Every day you must do something. So what is it? You drive, talk, swim, brush. Yes. You must brush your teeth every day. How do you brush? Take the toothbrush, put a little paste and scrub it nicely. Make it look like pearl. So you take the word brush and put it here. Brush your teeth every day. We write brush B capital here because it's the beginning of the sentence and there's a full stop over here. So the word we took from here, action word is brush. Brush your teeth every day. How many times? Twice. When? Morning and night. Good. You will brush your teeth twice every day. Brush your teeth every day. And what happens? If you don't brush, then the worms will make holes in your teeth and you have to go to the doctor with pain. Now read the sentence and see if we have found the correct word. Brush your teeth every day. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's look at our next sentence to fill in. Good. So we did walk, climb, brush. Now, here, Pam. Pamela is the name of a person, a girl, and P is in capital. Pam likes to dash a car. What does Pam like to do with the car? Pam like to buy, talk, swim, cry, drive. Yes, Pam likes to drive. Drive a car. That is her aim. So we circle drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. And we take the word and put it here. Pam likes to drive a car. Who drives your car at home? Daddy or mommy? Yes. So we put the word here. Now the sentence is complete. Shall we read the sentence? Pam likes to drive a car. Do you like to drive a car too? Yes, Pam likes to drive a car. We found the sentence and the sentence is complete. Good. So what are the words we use? Walk, climb, brush, drive. The sentence is complete. Pam likes to drive a car. Let's look at another sentence. Yes, let's look at another incomplete sentence and let's find a word for it. One action word from here. Cat. Starting of the sentence. So C is in capital. Full stop is here. Cat loves. What does she love? Cat loves to dash milk. Cat loves to cry, talk, dance, drink. Drink milk. Cat loves to drink. What does cat do with the milk? She will drink milk. Lap it up. Lick up. So we take the word drink and we put it here. Now read the sentence. Cat loves to drink milk. The full sentence is complete. We found the action word correctly. Drink. Cat loves to drink milk. How does she drink milk? She'll put her tongue out and lap it up. Do you have a cat? Yes. What do you give her? Little milk, little water, and she's very happy. Cat loves to drink milk. Don't keep your milk dish open in your house. She will come and drink up the whole milk. Yes. Did you enjoy filling up the correct word here? Let's look at another incomplete sentence. Shall we? Good. Now we have used walk, drink, climb, brush, drive. 5 words we use. 5 sentences. Let's look at this sentence. This incomplete sentence. Children. That's the first word, so C is in capital. Children dash on the stage, full stop. What do children do on the stage? Let's look. Children cry on the stage. They read, they swim, they talk, eat, bite. What do? They dance on the stage. So we circle the word dance. T-A-N-C-E, dance. Now we take that word and we put it here. We completed the sentence by finding the correct action word. Children dance on the stage. Read with me. Children dance on the stage. Good. So sentence is complete. We found the correct action word. Children dance on the stage. Let's go to another incomplete sentence. Then let's find correct action word to put it over there. Okay? Now, let's read I. I is in capital because the beginning of the sentence, there's a full stop over there. Let's read I dash fruit every day. I dash fruit every day. I read, I cry, talk, eat, bite. I bite fruit? No. I eat fruit. So I circle the word eat. I eat fruit. I eat fruit every day. Do you eat a fruit every day? What fruit do you eat? Any fruit. Banana, apple, orange, a papaya. So I fill in here with eat. E-A-T, eat. I take the action word from there and I put it here. Now the sentence is complete. Now let's read the sentence. I eat fruit every day. Read it again. I eat fruit every day. Any fruit. Some fruit you must eat every day. Yes? The sentence is complete. What is the action word? Eat. I eat fruit every day. Good. Are you happy? Now let's take another incomplete sentence and we'll pick an action word from the top. Look, we found a whole lot of words already used. Yes? Let's look at this. W-E-V. W is in capital because the beginning of the word, the beginning of the sentence. So, and the end is full stop. We dash books in the library. What do you go to the library and do? Do you talk or swim or bite or cry? What word? We dash books. What do you do with the book? Good, read. We read. What do you do in the library? Read. What do you do with the book? Read. So the word read we take and put into the blank and we completed the sentence. We read books in the library. When you go to the library, what do? Go and take a book, sit quietly and read and enjoy the book. Now, we read books in the library. Are you happy? We completed the sentence? Good. Let's look at another incomplete sentence and put in an action word to complete it. Look, whatever is not in the circle, they are the words to be picked again now. Fish, F is in capital, beginning of a sentence, fish dash in the water. Alright, fish cry, fish talk, bite, swim. What word would you use here? Fish? Good. Fish swim. So we take the word, circle it up. Fish swim in the water. What do the fish do? It will swim in the water. If you take a fish and put into a bowl of water, it will swim. Fish swim in the water. So sentence is complete. The action word is swim. Read it with me. Fish swim in the water. So we completed the sentence by putting the correct word. Good. Shall we go to another incomplete sentence? Here we are. Babies. Be capital. Babies dash for milk. Babies ask for milk, talk for milk, cry. If you don't give baby Baby doesn't know, ask, please give me some milk. No, babies will cry. So we circle the word cry and we put it there. Babies cry for milk. Is cry an action word? Yes. Babies cry for milk. The sentence is complete with the correct action word. Are you happy? Let's go on to another incomplete sentence. And we're going to find the correct action word here. Look, D is in capital because beginning of the sentence. Do not dash in the class. Do not in the class. There are two words left. You have to find one of them. Do not bite in the class. Do not talk. Yes, talk. Talk is the correct word. Do not talk in the class. Why? The teacher is teaching or somebody is reading or you're writing a test. The teacher says, do not talk in the class. Then where can you talk? Outside. Do not talk because there are too many children in the class. If everybody talks, there is a big noise and then the teacher's voice is not heard. The sentence is complete. Do not talk in the class. The sentence is complete with the correct action word. Let's look at another incomplete sentence now. Good. What is the word left over? One single word, that is bite. Let's read the sentence. Do not, D capital, beginning of sentence. Do not dash your nail. What is the word left? Bite. Do not bite your nails. Why? If you bite your nail, bit of your nail will go in and it's not good for the stomach. And then your nail will not look nice. Yes? Do not bite your nails. Is the sentence complete? Yes. We put in the correct action word. Read it again. Do not bite your nails. Good. Now we have used all the action word in sentences to complete the sentence. Are you happy? Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.